Well, hey there, I'm Matt Tommey. I wanted to give a shout out to my friend Junaid Hassan at Codeplex. This past year, it feels like we've become friends because we've been working together so much with him to not only completely migrate our website over from Weebly into WordPress and do some extensive development with that and custom coding, but also the development of a custom AI model that allows me as an author and mentor to take all of my years of coaching and put it into a custom AI model for my clients. I have to say, working with somebody all the way across the world and having never met them in person was a little bit daunting, but Junaid made it really, really easy to work with them all throughout the multiple projects that we worked through this whole year. He was always available and continues to be available to me on chat and email anytime that we need to talk and discuss an issue or how to work through a difficulty. I have to say they were on time, they were on budget, they allowed me to customize things as I needed. They helped me to find areas where I could improve that I didn't even know about, and really have become a real trusted partner for me and all that I'm doing to help artists all over the world. So please accept this, if you're watching this, as my highest recommendation of Codeplex. And if you're looking for a trusted partner and somebody that you can really rely on to help you with the back end of all you're doing online, Junaid and the team at Codeplex has my highest recommendation.